I'm sure you've been told before not to round your back. Deadlifts, keep it neutral. Rows, brace like a statue. And how dare you flex your spine on purpose? But here's the thing, your spine is supposed to move. It's made of 33 vertebrae, which 24 of them are meant to flex, extend, and rotate the spine. Avoiding these movements do not protect your back. It weakens it. Most people never train their spine throughout a full range of motion, and then one day they go to tie their shoes or bend over, and then bam, their entire back has spasmed out. And it's not because their spine moved in that way, it's because it wasn't ready to. We spend so much time avoiding spinal flexion that we've forgotten how to control it. And when you can't control that position, that's when you're the most vulnerable for those injuries. There's one movement that I give to my patients to fix this, to rebuild control, resilience, and it feels dang good to do, but most people are scared to do this movement. So let me show you how to do it and why you shouldn't be scared of flexing your spine. This movement is called a Jefferson Curl. It is a segmental mobility exercise, meaning we're trying to move one segment of our spine on top of each other. Think about this as a mobility and a strengthening exercise, a 2-for-1. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a dumbbell, a very light dumbbell, about 10, 15 pounds. This dumbbell is just helping us be dead weight when we're going down, so you don't need it too crazy heavy, okay? From there, you're gonna step up onto like an elevated surface. It doesn't have to be a box, it's a 12-inch box. You can use a step, you can use a chair, a curb, anything that you need. And if you aren't very flexible, you could probably get away with just doing on the floor first and then eventually progress to a box. But I'm very flexible, so I'm gonna do on a box. So we're gonna step onto a box. And then what we're doing is we're pretending like we're at the top of a deadlift. So we have our chin tucked back, our shoulders rolled back, the best tall posture you could possibly be in. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna move segment by segment. So first going with our head to come down, and then our shoulders are gonna round, then our mid back, and then our low back. And we're only gonna go down as far as we can until those hamstrings wanna bend. Nice and slow, keeping your head just dangling in dead weight. And then when we come back up, you're not gonna just rise back up and come up like that. You wanna go really slow, going the same way we came down, now reversing it. So pulling up through that low back, pull up through that mid back, burst those shoulders, and chin tuck like you're at the top of that deadlift. Most people are also very vulnerable in their spine when they're flexed down and rotated, so we can add that motion. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our body, and now we're just rolling this dumbbell down our leg, okay? So you're just, same thing, head's going down first, then shoulders, then your low back. You should feel a really big stretch on this one, on that lateral slide into that QL muscle and everything here on that lateral musculature, okay? We're going down as far as we can. Same thing, those legs are staying nice and straight. It's okay if this opposite one bends a little bit, but we want this front leg nice and straight. And then from there, we're reversing, coming back up, dead weight, just pulling, reversing up the upper back, mid back, and then we retract back, and you're gonna go the opposite side. So curl down, head, and you're just reaching down that leg as you have that weight be dead weight, okay? Remember, when we're doing this, this weight doesn't need to be heavy. We're not trying to compromise our quality of this movement. Should just be a dead weight. So some tips to get your best Jefferson curl. Number one, we're not just bending forward. We're trying to curl segment by segment. Number two, let your body be dead weight. So just hang your head and your arms down when you're doing this movement. Number three, go as far as you can until your hamstrings want to bend, but don't let them bend. Number four, go slow. We're practicing quality over quantity, only about 4 to 5 reps. We're taking about 10 seconds per rep. Thanks for watching. Remember, our spine is not fragile. It is okay to bend it. Just own it with control and confidence when you do. Smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. We got new videos every Tuesday, and I will see you next week.